नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम हर्ष रावत है। हमारी कंपनी का नाम है कोंकण एस्टेट। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं मैंगो फोक्स। मैंगो फोक्स में आप अपना खुद का एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम जो हर कोई सोचता है जिसके बारे में कि मेरा खुद का एक फार्म हाउस हो जिसमें मेरे खुद के प्लांट्स हों और जिनको मैं लंबे समय तक टेक केयर कर सकूं, वो सारे सपने आप पूरे कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम आपको देते हैं मैंगो प्लांटेशन के साथ उसका प्रोडक्शन भी। मतलब अगर आपने हमारे यहाँ 1 एकड़ का प्लॉट परचेज़ किया तो आप उस 1 एकड़ के प्लॉट के संग मैंगो प्लांटेशन करवाते हैं और मैंगो प्लांटेशन से जो भी प्रोडक्शन होता है उसका भी बेनिफिट आपको पास हो जाता है। तो दिस इज़ अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी जिसके अंदर आप खुद के एक लैंड के ओनर बन जाते हैं। नॉट ओनली लैंड ओनर बल्कि एक ऑर्चर्ड के ओनर बनते हैं। दैट इज़ अ प्राउड मोमेंट क्योंकि आप सभी जो भी लोग हमारे यहाँ इस कम्युनिटी के मेंबर बनते हैं उस कम्युनिटी में जो भी प्रोडक्शन आता है उसमें भी आपको कुछ शेयरिंग मिलती है। दैट इज़ समथिंग वेरी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट जिसके लिए हम लोगों को कई सारे लोगों ने कई सारे अवार्ड से हमको पुरस्कृत किया हुआ है। जी बिज़नेस ने, NDTV ने। तो इस तरीके से वी आर डूइंग दिस एंड वी आर गेटिंग वेरी गुड रिस्पांस। हमारे सभी कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हमारी टीम की तरफ से हम लोग सभी लोग धन्यवाद देते हैं एंड इस कॉन्सेप्ट को हम आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और आप लोगों का सहयोग चाहते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। दोस्तों, हमारे जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं ये सभी के सभी प्रोजेक्ट जो हैं वो मुंबई गोवा हाईवे के आसपास में हैं। सो वी आर बेसिकली लोकेटेड नियर बाय टू द मुंबई गोवा हाईवे विच इज़ वेरी वेल कनेक्टेड क्योंकि मुंबई गोवा 4 लेन हाईवे जिसका काम ऑलरेडी काफ़ी तेज़ी से चालू है और नियर बाय कम्प्लीशन पे है। तो मुंबई से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 घंटे से 2.5 घंटे की दूरी पे हमारे सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं एंड दैट टू ऑन अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेस। ये जो प्राइजेज़ होते हैं अगर आप इसको मार्केट प्राइस से कंपेयर करेंगे तो दिस इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेज़ क्योंकि हम आपको इसके अंदर प्लांटेशन भी करके देते हैं और आगे उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए तो उसके लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फेंसिंग, आपको हम ड्रिप इरीगेशन, इस तरीके की सारी सर्विसेज भी हमारी तरफ से प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं।
प्राइस की बात करें, प्राइस क्या है?
इसके जो प्राइजेज़ हैं वो बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेज़ हैं। एनीवन कैन अफोर्ड दैट वेरी इजीली। और सबसे बड़ी बात, अगर आप एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग एग्रीकल्चर लैंड यू हैव टू बी एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट एंड एक बहुत अफोर्डेबल प्राइस करीब अगर मैं बोलने जाऊं तो जो वहाँ के मार्केट प्राइस से आप कंपेयर करते तो 25-30 लाख रुपए से लेकर 40 लाख रुपए के बीच में विल गेट ए प्लॉट। और दिस इज़ अ वेरी गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी क्योंकि जो कोंकण एक्सप्रेस हाईवे वहाँ पे बन रहा है, जो ऑलरेडी जिसका काम और लैंड एक्विजिशन चालू हो गया है, अगर वो बन जाता है तो यहाँ पे लैंड प्राइजेस और भी काफ़ी तेज़ी से शूट कर पाएंगे। तो जैसे ये शूट करेंगे तो यू विल गेट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो।
आपको एग्जीबिशन के लिए कितना रिस्पॉन्स मिला? और रिस्पॉन्स 2 दिन हो चुका है।
So this exhibition is a very good opportunity for all second home and farmhouse players। हम लोगों के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। जनरली जो एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं उन एग्जीबिशंस में हम लोग कहीं गुम हो जाते हैं बिकॉज देयर आर सो मैनी बिग शॉट बिल्डर जो कि मुंबई सिटी में या सबर्ब्स में काम कर रहे हैं। तो जो हमारे क्लाइंटल हैं वो स्पेसिफिकली इसी प्रोजेक्ट्स को देखते हुए जिनको सेकेंड होम चाहिए या फार्म हाउस चाहिए, दे आर कमिंग ओवर हियर and they are getting good opportunities over here for the investment and we are getting very good response over here। बहुत ही अच्छा response है, बहुत सारे लोगों का walk-ins है and from the bottom of our heart just thank for the Met Connect, Touchwood and Tips। Thank you very much for this exhibition।
I am Himadri. So I'm Himadri Devnath. I head the marketing and sales department for Staycation। So last 2 years back we started with this property, Forest by the Hills। It's the largest farmhouse community in Karjat। So the total area of this property is 300 acres। We are by far the fastest developed property in Karjat। So our phase 1, phase 2 has been launched, which totals 120 acres and again that is sold out। Our phase 1 is developed and sold out. Families are staying, about 6 to 7 families are staying, and then there are more farmhouses, 11 farmhouses which are under construction, which will be ready by February। Apart from that, we have associated with Prahlad Kakkar। As everybody knows, he is the ad guru। So Prahlad Kakkar is the one who is our partner also and who is our mentor also। We have with us Mr. Sandeep Mukhopadhyay। So he along with Mr. Nagaraj Nallu, these three, so Prahlad, Sandeep and Nagaraj, these three are the partners of our property and we are very blessed to have a community which has nature lovers, like-minded people. When we speak about our concept of Forest by the Hills, so Forest by the Hills is not a forest land, it's a forest that completely has all the essences of nature. So it's 80 to 90 trees in 1 acre. We are offering 1 acre and above farmland plots where you can have your very cozy, nice farmhouse, a good 4 BHK or a 5 BHK farmhouse, and then you can again design your entire 1 acre plot as you like it. So,
So if you look at these pictures, they are all pictures of the property. So you're not using anything which is other than the property pictures. Right? That is one. And idea is very simple. This is a very old forest, about 200 years old forest. We have trees which has maybe from 50 years to about 100 years, 200 years old trees. So we want people who love forest. So we always call adopt a forest. We're not actually selling a property as such. We tell people that if you love forest, you come to our property, adopt a part of it, and it's a sustainable property already. So I don't want to make anything sustainable to it. A lot of people talk about I'm making a sustainable property, we'll make this, that to make it sustainable. We don't need to do that. It's already full of water, full of trees, full of greeneries. There are 25 waterfalls, there are 30 streams. So everything is there already. So you don't need to do anything extra rather than just adopt a part of it and maintain as it is. Right? Make your house, stay in a house, in the forest, with animals. When you talk about animals, of course I don't get scared, but when I'm talking about animals, there are a lot of peacocks, a lot of deers, a lot of wild rabbits, monkeys, right? They also understood now that we are very friendly, so they have also started coming down and staying with us. So it's a lovely nature and this thing. While we talk about the forest, the best part is, if you look at the trees, number of trees that we have, as Himadri said, that there are at least about 100, 150 trees in an acre. Not only that, we have 61 type of trees in the forest section, species of trees. 68 species of birds in the there are some birds which are very unique in nature. So you can just come, enjoy, relax. The entire forest is yours. This is just a part of, you bought a part of it, but doesn't matter. You can enjoy the entire forest. We have Tata Power House, which is about 350 acres inside us. We have 100 acres of reserve forest on the top of the hill. So you can enjoy everything. So you don't just own your one area. You own the entire property, honestly. And that's what you're supposed to do in forest. So it's a very different kind of property. It's not for everybody. Honestly, not for everybody. People who love forest, love foresting, love trees, love waterfalls, those are the people who are supposed to come and stay. Right? So that's what our customers are. We currently have about 80-85 odd customers who love this forest, who give us continuous advice how to protect this forest, how to protect each and every trees, how to not cut to the trees, how to take care of the nature, wildlife. Everything that we do it together. So it's such a family today.
2-3 things I would like to add. So whenever a person is purchasing an agricultural land, there are many things that a customer has to see. Number one problem that the customer faces is the legal issues, because normally you don't get a loan. So bank का कोई assurity नहीं है. There is no trust factor कि कैसे trust करें in this particular property. In that sense, our entire 300 acres belongs to one single family. So our paperwork is clear. Our each plot has individual paperwork which is transferred to them within 30 to 45 days. That is the maximum limit of time when the registration is done. So that is number one. Second, you don't get a bank loan. But our customers are majorly from banking sector, from legal sector, like from the top multinational companies we have our customers. You name any top 30 companies, उनके लोग हमारे यहाँ पे हैं in
All
the
CEOs
community.
and CEOs are there with us today, honestly. And one thing she missed out is basically the property is in the name of that particular family for more than 50 years, 45, 50 years. So there is no legal hassle at all. One document, you show it to any lawyer of the country, he'll say just go, close your eyes and go ahead. So that kind of problem that we sell to.
And lastly, how was response?
So exhibition, we are really enjoying it. I mean, this is one of the kind of exhibition that is happening for the first time in this thing. For the second home especially. Right? We don't call it second home though. We call it first home in nature. So we don't believe in calling second home because a lot of people are going to stay there. Right? But the exhibition is happening fine. The venue is fantastic. I think they've well taken care of everything that is possible. Right? And we actually need to do a very small thing to just make it happen. I mean, in any other exhibition, you need to at least 2 दिन से पहले आके आपको सजाना पड़ता है, all this kind of stuff. Everything these people taken care of, and that's the way it's supposed to be. And when Ganesh is there, by default it happens because he's the champion in that. He understands that very well. Right? So we are pretty happy with the way it's happening. I'm expecting a good call today evening and tomorrow also, of course. Thanks, and we are expecting more events like this to going forward.
It anyways goes in saying ना कि first home is a necessity आपको चाहिए, second home is a luxury. वो luxury के लिए I guess this is the best place where many people, many developers, many projects have gathered. यहाँ पे घूमेंगे, इससे अच्छा जगह नहीं मिलेगा उनको, इससे अच्छा एक्सपो नहीं मिलेगा to get that one second home or maybe many more second homes that they need to buy.
Promoter of this Bali Exora. Okay. We are into luxury segment of Bali style bungalows. The villas are luxury villas inspired by Bali architecture.
क्या डिफरेंट है बाली फ्लैट्स का और बाकियों में क्या डिफरेंट है, क्या है इसका और कहाँ पे है?
See, generally हमारे यहाँ पे जो बंगलो बनाते हैं ना लोग, they are all English style slab के बंगलोज वगैरह बनाते हैं. But whereas if you see the Konkan belt and Indonesia Bali belt, they are sharing the same atmosphere, weather condition, rain. तो हमारे यहाँ sloping roof के बंगलो होने चाहिए जो traditionally पहले बनाते थे. Whereas Bali is similar to that. So we are going for this architecture, and people go for Kerala theme and so many other things. But Bali is so exciting. Architecture is marvelous. The culture is same. I mean, there are so many artifacts. We have at Karjat, we have so many water bodies around. So Bali और Konkan का जो similarity है, वो synchronize करके we are doing this project.
Hence the product, our product is Bali Exoda. We are into sale of villas that are inspired by Balinese architecture and our amenities. It's a gated community nestled between the Sahyadri mountain range and based in Karjat.
Our project we are using same like Bali. We are using all wood. We are making use of lot of wood, lot of stone and glasses. I mean, it will be like a resort atmosphere, giving people a very luxury experience in nature. Serenity of nature will be there. The project is surrounded by mountains, green, lush green. There is lot of water flowing from mountains. Around 12 to 15 waterfalls are there during mountain, as you can see here on the screen. So what we are exhibiting is that you have Bali in near Mumbai in India.
बात करें लीगल की, तो लीगल जो प्रोसेस होते हैं सब पूरे आप करते हैं?
Yeah. हमारा ours is town planning and collector approved project, also RERA approved, and we are constructing bungalows as well as we are constructing luxury villas. I mean, whatever is the choice.
So how was
Price range varies from, it starts from 1 crore 35 lakhs all inclusive and goes up to 2 crore 50 lakh rupees. It starts from 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK. All the villas will be having inbuilt swimming pool, all luxury. Some of the villas are having, almost all the villas are having swimming pool and bathtub, and it will be all luxury thing.
how much area?
Minimum area 2,500 onwards.
How response कैसा मिल रहा है?
Response अच्छा मिल रहा है. I mean, those people who are looking for second home are coming. First home वाले भी लोग हैं, they are coming to see investment and return of investment. This new trend which has come जिसमें लोगों को they want to buy a bungalow and give it on rent. So this concept, a bungalow having swimming pool, a family can enjoy it. So they will get good return on investment also.
Mittal. I am sales director here in Nirvana Realty. We are the largest second home developers from past 19 years. We are into plottings, villas, resort apartments, staycations, hospitality business, and many more things. Right now our projects are in Dahanu in the name of Viroha. It's Bombay Ahmedabad highway touch property. We have 3 projects in Vada. One is in the name of Nirvana Waterfronts. It's a Veterana touch project. We have agriculture and any plots there. We have another plot in the name of Nirvana Bollywood. Hema Malini was the brand ambassador there. There we have apartments, residents, resort apartments, and the villa plots. About 100 villas are sold there. We have given possession also. More than 50 families are already staying there. Another project is in the name of Nirvana Farms. It's a NA plot scheme. It is also 100% sold out. All the projects are 100% developed, delivered projects with all the basic infrastructure facilities and the amenities like swimming pool, 5-star resort, restaurants, indoor-outdoor games, children's play area, tennis court, golf course. We not only deliver the project, we basically focus on the quality also. So that is the main thing. Our customers are more than 7,000 customers in the past 19 years. They are attached with us right now, and in every launch they wait for our projects to come for the new projects. Apart from that, we have 2 projects in Khapoli Pali Road. One is in the name of City of Music. It is a musical theme-based project in which we have made Asia's largest guitar-shaped swimming pool. Musical theatre is there, mini theatre is there. There also we have villas and resort apartments. It's also completely sold out. We are coming up with another project there in the name of Bogan Villa. It's a flower-themed project. And one more project is there in the name of Break the Routine at Malsej Ghat. It is beautifully surrounded by the mesmerizing views of the Malsej Valley, Tokavde Valley. In rainy seasons, you get lot of waterfalls views, reverse waterfall views from our projects. We are also coming up in Karjat and Alibag. Yeah, we have got, every year we get plenty of awards. We got Iconic Holiday Homes Award, Best Weekend Home Developers, Best Weekend Developer of the Year by the Economic Times, Times Achievers of India, then Developer of the Weekend Homes by the Hindustan Times, and many more. I don't remember all the names. Every year we keep on getting the awards.
Now, how was the response in second?
Yeah, here also you can see my stall. It is one of the largest and beautifully made stall, and footfall is good. Quality of the peoples are good here. We are getting a really good response here.